Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install virtual computer on Hyper-V. In that particular sector, first of all you have to go to the search bar, then you go to the Hyper-V manager, or you can simply type here Hyper-V. Make sure your computer already has a Hyper-V machine, then you just open it. And here I already installed a computer, and in your sector you will show the blank space over there, and you can go over the new and you can see the virtual option, or otherwise you can click the action button and you can also see the new and the virtual machine. You go to the virtual machine and here you can show these types of pop-up, and just click the simply next, and you have to give the name of your virtual machine, like I just give the test 1 and press on next button. Well, there are generation 1 and generation 2. They haven't much more difference between them. Additionally, it has only difference based on configuration. If your PC has good hardware, high configuration RAM and SSD and so on, then you can choose the generation 2. But in my opinion, always choose generation 1 because you will not face any problem over there, like computer slow down while working. These types of dilemma you will not face in generation 1, and you feel so much comfort in generation 1. So I choose generation 1 during my working procedure. Press next. In here you have to choose the memory specification. You will choose it based on your PC's RAM. Similarly, before part, if you have good quality RAM, then you can choose it more. However, it is your virtual machine, you will not use it as your daily basis work. It is better for you that you choose it less memory for better quality. And when you choose it less memory, you will not face any types of bug or face any types of solo procedure during your working period. So I am suggested to you to choose at less memory for your better quality, and press the next and stay it not connected. And you can choose the browser location, because where your actual computer will be located, and you can put the all data over there. I already choose the local disk E. And one more thing, that if you have external existing hard disks, then you can choose this drive, these options, or you want to attach it later, then you can choose it. So although I'm gonna use my own hard drive of my computer, that's why I'm just choosing it, and go to the next. Here you can install the operating system, the image file of the Windows, and you can easily download it from the Windows official website. So you will face some little bit of trouble in the Windows 11 that I faced a lot when I'm using the Windows 11 in the virtual machine, and when I use the Windows 10 in my virtual machine, I didn't face any types of trouble. So I prefer to you choose the Windows 10 and go to the next button, and already finish, and it will take some little time, and you can see virtual machine computer is already done. Double click of mouse and click the start. Wait a little bit, your virtual computer is ready. This video only for installation process of virtual computer. If you want to know more about it, then stay connected with us. Not only that, but also you will learn a lot of networking, CommShare, troubleshooting and different types of knowledge from us. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn a lot.